Okay, hello Slick Deals. The first is a quick tutorial about how to um, put widgets on your home screen with the new ePad. We're going to put a nice analog clock. So there's that. Actually, let's take that and get rid of it and put something cooler. We'll put the honeycomb. There we go. Next, you can get rid of these little icons, change the shortcut. We're going to put a different application. The application that we want there is going to be, I want to put settings there. Oops. There we go, and we tell it default icon. There we go. And now we have default icon settings there. I don't know how well you can see that. Hopefully it shows up decent. Obviously there's no text messaging, so we can take that one and get rid of it. Again, change the shortcut. From that we will go to applications, and we'll put a lot of ebook reader fans here, so we'll put Aldeco, which is an outstanding ebook reader. Did I press it? There we go. And again, default icon, so you know what it is, which one you want to do. You can change any of these icons at any time. Obviously you customize it. What I did was use Launcher Pro. You have many options. Oops, go back. You have many options as far as which program you want to use with this. I'll show you how to do different launchers. Click on the programs, and there's a program somewhere. Look at all the programs, by the way. You have your settings, advanced task killer, different launchers, Angry Bird, zip file, e-readers, games, browsers, calculator, calendar, camera, different clocks, documents to go. You have the full version key if you want to unlock that, emails options. But anyways, there's another iReader. It's called simply iReader. That is great. Amazon Kindle is there if you're used to Kindle. And I'm looking for the home launcher. There, home switcher. So now I can change it to either ADW launcher, Go launcher, Launcher Pro. Some of the people that have smartphones are very familiar with these. I've always used Launcher Pro and I love it. This is what ADW would look like. Oh, sorry, I gotta launch it. That's what ADW would look like. Very fancy looking, but I don't like the way the menus are set up. See, it's this, and you have to scroll this way, and you don't get as many, and yeah, so that's that. You can use this as your back button. Up there, up in the corner, you have a back button, a menu button that pops up their own menu there. It's kind of useless to me because once you use a launcher, you have your own menu. Sound up and down, you also have sound up and down at the top left, actually physically on the tablet. You have your battery, your time. I don't know why it says 10:45 p.m. I don't think I updated the clock on this one. The one that I've been using since last night just finally died, and I'm recharging that one. At the top you have your drag down, so you just drag that down. Open Advanced Task Killer. This is a great program to look at all this stuff that's in the background. So you see the speed of this while all the other stuff is open in the background. When we close all this, your system's going to speed up tremendously. Kill all that, and we'll take a look at, we'll go to Google Market, or Android Market. Oh, I don't have Wi-Fi enabled. It's going to tell me. Oh, okay, so I don't have Google account set up on this one. I have it set up on the other one. We'll go back, and what I'll do here quickly is show you the Wi-Fi settings. I'm going to change the launcher back to what I know. That way I can find my way around quickly without wasting too much time on the video here. I'm sure it's getting rather large. Where are you? Home switcher. Okay. So I'm going to set Launcher Pro as the default, and I'm going to launch it. That's back to what I know. I go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, turn Wi-Fi on. It takes a second to turn it on, just like any Android system. And then I go to Wi-Fi settings. It scans for networks. It's going to find mine, which is XP Pro 2. Call me a glutton for punishment. I still stick with XP. I don't like Vista and haven't seen a reason to upgrade to 7 yet. So this is secured. I'll put my little code in here real quick. Just so you can see, get an idea of how the touchscreen works, how easy it is. I'm done, and then I connect. It takes just a moment to get connected and to find the IP address. While it's doing that, we can find some other stuff to look at here. See, obtaining IP address. We'll go back again. I don't know how well you can see the brightness on the display here, but we'll go to brightness and I'll show you a pretty dramatic increase in how bright the display can be and how clear the picture can be. I keep it lower just to conserve battery life, and it still looks nice in my opinion. So back out of that. I know a lot of people wanted to see Angry Birds. Just to give you a quick Angry Birds demonstration. Keep in mind, this is it's supposed to be a very dull touch screen that you have to press super hard on, that has a very slow CPU, terrible graphics, made from junky components, and whatever else everybody that doesn't want you to buy one would have to say about it. So we go to, oh wait, I want to go to, okay. I don't know how well this is going to translate on the screen, but hopefully you'll be able to see how little effort is needed now that this is rooted to get the screen to respond to whatever the user action is. I'm going to put my finger on here basically as light as I possibly can and show you what you get. Okay, so here's Angry Birds, as light as I possibly can. We'll just call that an error for the sake of demo. There we go. It wouldn't be a true how-to video unless the user screwed it up the first time. So. But yeah, that just gives you an idea. I don't want to have you watch me play Angry Birds all day, but so we'll just turn that back, go back to the beginning, go back to the main menu, and we want to exit again, because they have 15 pages on their backup menu, and go back to the beginning. Alright, well, that's a quick preview to show you. Oh, I can go to the web browser for you just so you can get an idea of the speed of that and whatever. So we'll type in click deals. This is in real time. As soon as I'm done here, I'm going to upload it, and the way that I can prove this to you. Oops, not images, go back. I want to open that with the regular browser because everybody loves Dolphin browser. I think it sucks. That's just me. Go to forums, again browser. I haven't set up all of the default things on here, so it's going to show them as asking me to tell it which one to use on just about everything. Deals, hot deals. looking for Android 2.2 touchscreen thread where everyone is angry at Evoic. Alright, there you go. Hope that gave you what you needed. I'm sure there's going to be requests for me to do this and do that. I'm probably not going to post any more videos. Number one, because the space that it ties up, how long it takes to upload, and number two, I'm afraid that without my hair brushed, it's going to reflect on the screen, and God forbid any of you see me in real life. Alright, thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.